Hey there everybody, it's me Cody on Microsoft, where today I'll be showing you Windows 10 build 15046 for PC. And this build is the latest fastering build for Windows Insiders as part of the Future Creators Update, which is expected to come out sometime of spring this year. I will note that these builds are buggy, and I wouldn't recommend installing them onto your main device. Installing this update, you'll find that the progress indicator in the settings should be working just fine for all Windows Insiders, as this issue was recently fixed. Additional bugs all over the place have been fixed as well, including many of the quirks with Edge, which is now a little bit more stable. Windows Hello facial recognition should now be working just fine on Surface devices running build 15046. If you haven't already noticed, the color of Cortana's search bar has been reverted back to the original color, as a result of feedback from Windows Insiders. In addition to this, the background of Cortana when opened is now completely black. I appreciate this, however, I will admit that the lighter color was starting to grow on me. Also, the version tag, the build version tag on the desktop has been hidden by default now in this build, although if it does upset you, you can always enable it back in the registry editor. Opening up settings, it seems that every single build of the Creators Update has had some sort of tweak to the UI in the settings app. Right here you'll see on the main page the Xbox branding continues to be the icon for the gaming section in the settings app, which you'll notice has been modified to look a little bit more fitting with the rest of the icons. It has more of a wireframe look now. Interestingly, as of right now, this icon is the only icon in the settings app that when pinned to the start screen, start menu, will show a different glyph than what appears in the settings page. I'm pretty sure though that this is just a little visual inconsistency that will be ironed over in a future build. In the Apps section, under Apps and Features, there are new settings that allow you to configure what kinds of apps can be installed onto your PC. There are three options. The default, which is like Windows is now, that'll allow you to install apps from anywhere, warn me before installing apps from outside of the store, and allow apps from the store only. The second two options do exactly as they describe, and when enabled will display a message when trying to install apps from outside of the safety of the Windows Store. I imagine this will be something we'll hear about more in the future. Now, as with all these new features, there are also quite a few issues, so be aware of that. Like I've said before, I highly discourage that you install these builds onto your main device. Not that they'll cause your device to explode, but because you might run into an undocumented issue that prevents you from getting certain work done. Anyhow, this has been a quick update video with me, Cody, on Microsoft. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and check out onmicrosoft.com to continue receiving updates about the future of Windows 10, Windows 10 Mobile, and the future Windows 10 Creators Update. Thank you, goodbye.